Alright guys, so we're gonna test this myth out if an infinite flight is it the true sound of the airbus, like the autopilot sound. Yeah, I definitely did not just watch the video that I made about it. And why does airbuses don't have a yoke? Wait, how is it going here? Oh yeah, because of that. Why is an airbus so big?
Stalled.
What? Okay, now let's test it out on Boeing. Boeing 747. So the airbus flew. There was no guys, so I'm good. Finally, it's going in the area, isn't it?
30, 20, 10.
Nope, I crashed in the ocean. You know what? I'm not going out of here. I'm going out. Other Boeing 737. An Airbus. They don't have any yokes. Do you know yokes are really hard to pull? I don't know what sound it made. I think Boeing doesn't have a sound. Myth busted.